Can't go there. Come on. What the f are you doing? You're on the wrong side of the road. You're on the wrong side of the road. Oh, you're in the wrong, dude, not me. Let's go. It's not a one-way street, man. No, that's not right. Where are you going? Huh? I'm just wondering where you're going.
Why road? Why don't you?
Because I don't know what you're doing. You're not indicating. You're swerving.
To make a show because you have the camera over.
No, it's nothing to do with that.
Make a show, make a show.
No, we don't want to make a show. You're just being a cop. You're just being a cop. You don't get flipped off. You get. Oh. He's a big massive wanker. That's what BMW is. Big massive wanker. Put your mirrors out. Your mirrors? Your mirrors. Oh, yeah. You didn't see me, huh? Come on! Really? Oh, stay there. What's wrong with you? Need to get a red light. Wait there.